When people talk about protecting their home or commercial property, the first thing they do is install security camera systems, alarms, or fire extinguishers. But did you know it's statistically much more likely to have water damage than to be burglarized or go up in flames?
So the most common damage in a property is going to be water. Even though we usually think about burglary and fire, water actually affects about 40% of homes. Home leaks are the biggest issue for insurance companies.
Water damage can easily cost you more than $50,000, and no insurance can replace family photos and other priceless treasures once water has destroyed them. Moving out of your home during the repairs is never convenient. Mold can quickly develop, causing health concerns.
A lot of people don't think they're going to ever have a water damage claim. Fact of the matter is, there are plenty of them, and they cost north of $80,000 to do repairs for the average water claim.
Fast action is key when dealing with leaks. No matter how small or large, taking action as soon as possible is really important.
The good news is that there are ways to protect your property against costly water losses.
With the leak defense system, we're helping to protect you from catastrophic damage, but we're also helping to save money on your water bill.
I decided to install the leak defense system because I had a very severe air conditioning leak in one of my air conditioning units. It caused extensive damage to 2 bedrooms. The system was actually recommended to me by my insurance company.
So an important feature with leak detection is having an automatic shutoff valve. And with the leak defense system, not only will it automatically shut off the water if it detects leaks, but it's capable of detecting tiny pinhole leaks, which they all matter, no matter how small. So the way the leak defense system works is it's installed on the main line and monitors all water going into the home. Then, if it detects flow that exceeds the time and flow parameters, it'll automatically shut the water off and notify the homeowner. Since the leak defense system is temperature-based, it will alert you to freezing conditions so you can take action to avoid burst pipes.
I've been installing these systems for way over 10 years. The actual installation, we're in and out in a day.
At Leak Defense, we've developed simple solutions for water-using appliances in homes. So our pre-installation assessment is used for identifying all those water-using appliances in the home that we really want to make sure that we protect, but also that we're aware of so that we can maximize water security.
With 7 global patents for flow-based water security, Leak Defense System offers you peace of mind 24/7.
With the leak defense system, there are 3 basic scenes: home, away, and standby. Home is set to accommodate your family's normal water usage. In the away scene, the system is set more sensitively because the house is unoccupied. The standby scene is used to temporarily put the system to sleep when you need to use more water for extended periods of time. The Leak Defense System app offers control and notifications from anywhere in the world.
I really like the app because I can manage the system remotely.
For an additional layer of protection and notification, you can connect your leak defense system to your home security. The system also allows you to instantly turn off the water with the touch of a button using the app or the on-site control panel. What sets this system apart from others is that it's not Wi-Fi dependent, so it's always monitoring.
Water leaks are the biggest issue for insurance companies. No wonder insurance companies have selected Leak Defense to protect historic homes for more than 13 years.
Many insurers offer incentive programs to policyholders who have the leak defense system installed on their property.
Defense system is adaptable to fit any size water pipe coming into the house from 3/4 of an inch in diameter up to 3 inches in diameter.
Leak Defense System has not just created a revolutionary product, they're also known for delivering great customer service.
Great customer service is important to us because we have a people-first mentality. That means listening first to tailor and offer the products that they want and need to be protected. We love being able to assist people.
To learn more of how the great team of Leak Defense can relieve you of all water maintenance worries, visit leakdefensesystem.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.